something you don't know. You need a little enlightening, it'll make you grow.
Hey guys, good evening and welcome to yet another episode of Beautiful Mind. So we have a beautiful mind here who feels very confident, who feels fulfilled when she sees a bride, dresses well, she looks good, she, basically ensures that the entire event goes successful with this particular one design of her. And people are watching it, people are getting photographing the event. So thanks a lot, Vandana, for joining us. So Vandana is from Kolkata and she is very passionate about fashion designing. So let's get to hear from Vandana as to why she got into fashion. Okay, and ये journey कैसे थी? So over to you, Vandana.
Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you so much for having me on this platform. And well, as an identity, I would describe myself as an artist, as an observer. Not it's like since childhood. मतलब, I would involve myself wherever I want to beautify or enhance anything by default.
Super. So ये बचपन से था. You've been doing decorations, some creative stuff
Yes,
around.
yes, absolutely. कुछ भी अगर something which is not attractive, I just jumped into that and just beautifying. Anything, mom, dad, don't do this, it'll spoil. I just used to wait कि कब वो जाएंगे and then I can just do some sketching, painting on that. So it was kind of passion since childhood.
Superb. So, fashion designing, how did you convince them that, fashion designing is what you want to get into? और उनको समझ में आ गया कि ये इसी में जाएगी, इसको फ़ायदा नहीं है उसको रोक के, पकड़ के कुछ और डिसीजन करने का. So, what was the situation?
I think वो mindset बचपन से उनके set हो गया था कि she'll get into this field because every time कुछ भी होता तो it's not only about fashion, it's about beautifying. Mom is dressing, I would say, don't wear this, wear that. Anybody. It's not only my family people, it's about my neighbors also, my friends also, like setting up the wardrobes for them. So it was kind of passion which was driving me, and I had a goal that someday I'll be having my own brand.
Superb. So, let's now talk about the brand. So, what's the story behind the name? How did you finalize this particular name? और कितने दिन लगे इसको finalize करने के?
Well, it's a combination of my and my husband's name, Vandana and Vijendra. And it's a love story since college. And from that time only, we thought that we'll initiate this brand and it'll be Ridge One.
Rich one, okay. How come, you let him dominate and, his name come first and आपका name last में लगा है?
No, I only decided this name.
Okay. So you should
Yeah.
have been...
And he also found it very interesting and the name is quite unique. The maximum clients of ours, what we got to know is it's a very unique name. They get attracted to the name. So it's just that.
Okay. A lot of people, give credits for their success. So behind you, who are the names, who are the people behind you? It can be friends, family members, जिन्होंने बहुत सालों से आपको encourage किया है.
Obviously, family is definitely there, but I think for me, more than self success, I think जो people आपके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, that is more important. You grow only when your people grow with you.
Okay.
So a lot of people are there, friends, family definitely है, and I would give the whole and soul credit to my husband because he's the love of my life, my first friend, first love. So that is a complete love story which is involved in this thing.
Superb. I'm sure that shows up when the clients come to meet you. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So
Absolutely.
Vandana, I always have this question. So during our wedding, we never experienced this designer thing. मतलब एक ही था, कपड़े खरीद के लाओ, पहन के चले जाओ. But nowadays this is a trend, and I think it's worth signing up for a fashion designer because they're truly transparent about which looks good, क्या जचेगा, which are good for photographs and stuff like that. So I've not been to all this. So what do you look at when you have a client where you have to make their dressing successful? Bridal designing में क्या देखते हो आप?
See, if you see from the business point of view, तो वहाँ पे ब्राइड को तो सब साइड कर देते हैं, पर जो बाकी लोग जो आते हैं उनको कन्विंस करना होता है. So That is one part, but apart from that, I always suggest bride ki wear what is comfortable for you, in which what you feel that you will carry your personality. Because sometimes it happens ki bride means red, maroon. It's not that. It's something so beautiful which has been carried from generations. It has got that traditional, that cultural feel. So I always suggest them that आप जो भी पहनो, it should suit your personality.
Got it. So, as you indicated that convincing other family members is also crucial. So, कभी होता है कि bride wants a specific design or a color, and the parents or the mother, most of the time it's the mother who is accompanying this. There is a difference of opinion. So, उसको कैसे handle करते हो आप?
That is the most crucial part for me to handle, because sometimes mother is liking pink, bride is liking maroon. तो वो बहुत difficult हो जाता है हमारे लिए to handle it. So what we do, we make them try both the colors. We make them try more of the colors. So क्या होता है, 2 color नहीं और 4-5 colors they try. So they get the option and they can just take the decision.
Okay. So subtly you have to say, आंटी जी शादी उसकी है, उसके करने दो, आपकी शादी हो गई है, so you don't get a chance to choose.
No, I don't say, but back of the mind वो चलता है.
वो चलता है. True.
Yes, that is definitely there. But nowadays, girls, women, ladies, they just come forward with their own choices, and I think that's very empowering, very beautiful. Because पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. Moms and all these जो parents बोलते थे बस वैसा पहन लेते थे. But it's not like that till now.
True. I think now girls or women have like started expressing out. They know what they want. They set the expectation before coming here, rather than creating a drama at the venue, at the fashion designer location. So that is pretty good. I think that's a good transformation. So
that is transformation from the bridal side also, and even the parents are also accepting the change.
Good point.
They are also like कि ठीक है, आपको जो पसंद है आप पहनो, पहनना आप ही को है. The statements are changing.
True. Yeah, that's a very valid point. Good. I like the way you are advocating for both the sides.
Because I told you that it is a very big thing कि वो parents का एक mindset होता है, kids का एक mindset होता है. There is only that gap, which separates them.
True.
तो वो बहुत difficult हो जाता है handle करना, but end of the day everything has to be sorted out.
Okay. So how do you cater to India is a vast country, and we have so many cultures, and her state में the dressing, the design, what we wear, not only with religion, but every culture has a different way of dressing up, and the way they look and all that. So how do you manage all that?
I'll tell you, there is a very interesting fact about it. If you see from historical point of view, this cultural bridal sector, it is not evolved. It is as it is. It is as rich, ornate, exquisite as they were in the days of Rajas and Maharajas, if you see.
Okay.
What आप अगर देखो उन जो historical ages के अंदर में, what they used to wear as a lehenga, as a sari, we still wear it on the festive seasons. Why? Because they are actually royal.
True.
So that is why I put it myself in this field, because it's not about creating. I want to preserve and revitalize the traditional, because these are the assets of our country, and we can actually capitalize this for the globalization.
So it should be a lot of hard work, right? Because some of these designs you need to, see, designing is one part where you basically design it on a paper and showcase them that aisa dikhega, is this what you're looking for and all that. But procuring those materials, those fabrics, that needs a lot of tasks, going around, knowing the right vendors who supply it. So how do you manage all that?
It's a very interesting factor. Today only I was having a conversation with one of my friend, and I said that imagination is much more powerful than execution. So when we imagine something, automatically, when you are passionate about creating that particular thing, you just get into the right places.
Good. So what's the fulfilling thing you find after the wedding? You look calm ho jata hai, and I'm they're done with you. But what is that fulfilling factor? How do you receive these compliments back? the testimonials back from them, and maybe you can share one or two stories which have made you feel good that yes, this was nice.
I think not only after marriage, the most happiest moment for us is on the trial day. Because on that day, the entire family comes, the bride experiences that how she'll be looking, and the tears rolling on the faces. Like sometimes we also, get into so much emotional factors that, okay, we can understand. But it's really beautiful to see these brides because a lot of treasured moments are there, and a lot of memories are attached to this thing. And I wanted to be the part of this day, where that celebrated day, which is a lifetime event.
Super. So for friends who've not yet connected with Vandana, I have a short video which has the collection of her designs. Moments where the bride is doing a trial. You can see the expressions and the awesome designs and artwork which Vandana has done. So here is a quick video of Vandana and her accomplishments.
Thank you so much.
So the only thing which is missing is your photographs of your wedding and your designs. So that is something which we will miss. But here is a short video.
आ जावे माही तेरा रस्ता उड़ीक दिया, आ जावे माही तेरा रस्ता उड़ीक दिया, रस्ता उड़ीक दिया, रस्ता उड़ीक दिया.
Superb. Awesome collections, Vandana.
Thank you so much, Ravi.
So ये ये peacock feather on your logo. So whose idea is that, and why is it there?
I personally have some, maybe you can call it a connection with that flute music, the peacock feather. In fact, the Brijwan name is also somewhere related to Radha Krishna. So it's a compilation of all these things.
Good. So your best moments or the compliments that you have received or testimonials that you've received from the customers.
I actually had one of the client from Japan,
Mm-hmm.
and she was hunting for her bridal lehenga, but she was not confident enough because as she doesn't have that knowledge about the Indian cultural fashion and how to take it as a bridal wear. So and her mother is also from Calcutta.
Mm-hmm.
So she just came over here. She tried one or two, and she was so happy with it, roaming in the entire showroom. Just those moments are the compliments for us.
So you might also receive brides who are not that confident, okay, very shy, very, I mean, just like with stage fear, right? So इनको जाके रिसेप्शन में खड़ा होना है, एक नया ड्रेस which is like designed perfectly for her, she has to wear and do it. So how do you manage such brides who are not very confident? So do you also have to do some homework to get that built in?
Absolutely. बहुत प्रेशर हो जाता है at that time. I also feel कि उनको, because unless and until they don't come out of their comfort zones, I won't be able to help them out. So first is a lot of conversations just to take them out of their comfort zones, make them understand that they are actually beautiful. The extra add-ons is just a little bit of enhancements because she's a bride, she's going to be the bride. Every woman in the universe is beautiful. Every woman should realize this.
Okay.
So that is the most beautiful moment for us when that lady, that girl, she feels about it that okay, I can try some new outfits now.
So how do you handle this challenge? Like, a lot of people want to go on diet because shadi mein acha dikhna hai, they want to reduce weight and all. So the measurements which you take obviously before, couple of days before, I think it's couple of weeks before the wedding. And by the time, it is the wedding. So how do you manage this, loss of
It's
weight?
a big challenge because I literally faced a lot of issues with this. See, everything is a learning. I also started from very basic. So what happened, we took measurements and at the time of wedding, 3 to 4 inches was the difference.
Oh my God.
And because these things takes time to, embellish. So it was very critical moment for us, but that thing gave me a learning that Vandana, don't take measurements a month before or 2 months before. Just take 15 days or 20 days prior. So accordingly, just make that.
Okay. So then your time to deliver also,
Yes.
reduces. So you have a lot of pressure to deliver it on time.
Yeah.
Okay.
The average pattern, the embellishments we do, we keep it just according to the measurements, we make it. And the stitching part, we do it only 10 days or 15 days before, not before that. We literally say no.
Or at least let them भाई हमको बता दे कि if you're planning to go on diet, we will at least be prepared accordingly.
Yeah, but even if you plan also, even if they say no, I won't lose weight, they lose weight.
Okay. Yeah, I think that
Matlab
stress is so tremendous.
Yeah, you can say it can be a stress, it can be anything, but I have noticed with every bride of mine, there is a difference.
Okay. So do you have customers, brides, जो सब कुछ order कर देते हैं, everything is done and all that, do last minute changes saying that ये चाहिए था or complete change in what the requirement was. Do you also face this in this business? Sorry, I'm not into this, so I'm just curious as to what happens out there.
A very, very interesting story is there with it. What you were saying, that happens actually. Like one of my bride, she ordered a reception complete gown with a trail, and then in the last moment she said that I'm not confident about the sleeves, just cut it. I was like, what? Cut it? But that moment I need to make her understand that if I cut it, then again, if you don't want that, again, that'll take time. So just come on the trial day, you try it. After that, if you want to cut it, I'll cut it in front of you.
Okay. Yeah.
So challenges are there, but in moments we need to tackle it.
Good. So, what are the USPs of, Ridge1, compared to others out there? What is that valuation? Vandana, what is that beautiful mind, Vandana, infuses for this bride, when they're coming to your business?
Ridge1 is all about like it is rooted into heritage and cultural fashion. Like it's not only about basic lehengas or basic anything. It's about a complete historical stories. Like my inspiration, what I take is from the surroundings, from any architectural forms, monuments, palaces, birds, nature, floras, fauna. So many inspirations are there, which I put it into a design and then I execute it. So it's kind of creating a royal wedding story. So that is our USP.
Okay. You had a love marriage, right? So if given a chance, would you like to get married again with all the arrangements properly, dressed properly, and get married to the same guy again?
I would love to get married to Vijendra every year because I'll get to wear a new outfit every year.
Good one. Yeah.
That is the basic, what a girls want.
True. I agree. And you girls deserve that. That once in a year moment where this is a memorable moment. A repeat is banta hai. Okay.
Bilkul. And it's like it's just like the anniversaries are day of celebrations. But for me and Vijendra, we are like we can celebrate whenever we want. We are not limited to that one day. We can even celebrate twice a year, thrice a year.
Good. God bless you with that. So a lot of kids come in, and there are a lot of fashion shows. Abhi to pandemic mein maybe it is slow, but a lot of fashion shows happens in the colleges. So do they also approach you saying that we need something, we want to look different, we want to compete, win this particular show? Do you receive these requests?
Yes, I received from the college from where I have been pursuing. So from there, I actually haven't taken up this project because I wanted to first firm up my own grid lines, whatever I wanted to. Then maybe I can take it.
Okay, super. So Vandana, you're a woman. You're a woman entrepreneur. You're an artist. You're a designer. Okay, you're setting an expectation for a very big challenge in a business. This is not dressing up for a meeting or this thing. This is dressing up for a wedding. Okay, very big challenge in fashion, right?
Absolutely.
So, how was your journey, and what is that message? This is my last question. What is that message for other women entrepreneurs who are out there, or women out there, कुछ करना चाहते हैं, मतलब कुछ ख्वाहिश है, but they're hesitant to come out. So, what is your suggestion to them?
Well, as I said before, that my only one statement is that everybody is out of their zone. It's just a realization thing which they need to carry. Every woman is beautiful, so it's nothing like anything can stop them. So just be what you are. Be true to yourself, and I just want to be true to myself on. You can say a mission to preserve certain things and to be inspiration for many lives.
Superb. Thanks a lot, Vandana, for joining us on the show and sharing your beautiful mind with us, because it is definitely in an era where you're creating, giving a lot of importance to beauty. It doesn't matter which color. And all the best with
absolutely, because on that I would just end up in one thing that even dark is beautiful. What we see. Many women, they are little conscious about their skin texture and color. So for every woman over there, I would say skin color doesn't just matter. It's your identity, your personality which matters.
True. So friends, do follow Vandana, and we will share the links both for Vandana and Bridge One, the brand. You can follow the page and get in touch with her if you have a requirement, or any of your friends getting married. So now you know Vandana well, so maybe you can get in touch with her and share your requirement. So thanks a lot, Vandana, again for joining on the show, and have a blessed business, and God bless you both. Have a great married life together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.